singer who'd really love to let loose in song, in a choir. Big question. Music really is the universal language, isn't it?
Certainly is.
It is. Now, Aussies are recording themselves having a go at singing, and it's all to be part of a charity event called Sing for Good. Ross Marr is joining us this morning. Ross, welcome to the show. Everybody loves to sing. Some of us with not such great voices. I won't even sing to myself in the shower. It's so bad. But Jess will let loose at the drop of a hat.
Yes. Doe, a deer, a female deer.
Hold that voice, Jess.
A drop of golden sun.
So what is Sing for Good?
You're leading the charge.
It doesn't take much. So Sing for Good is a national campaign to get all of Australia singing, to raise funds for the With One Voice program, and most importantly, to raise awareness of the issue of loneliness, which is something that can impact every single one of us all across Australia, no matter where you are.
It just makes you feel good when you sing, I think.
You're exactly right.
So what is this 20-minute challenge?
The 20-minute challenge. Okay, so we believe fundamentally that anyone can sing and you don't need to rehearse, you don't need to have any training. And so our challenge this morning is to take some of the audience here with us and to create a choir that sings in less than 20 minutes.
It's called Singing for Your Supper, in this case, Studio 10.
And will it make us sing in tune? Because I don't have a lot of tune in my voice. So
that is right. So perhaps if you sing softly. I don't want to be unkind, but, you know, sometimes you just have to know.
What you've got to remember, though...
You can do it. No, you can do it. You can do it.
So, Ross, we should stress that the challenge is that you and Jess, you're going to take some of our audience members out to the newsroom.
Correct, yes.
We'll just apologise up front to my colleagues in the newsroom. And you're going to teach them to sing in 20 minutes, and then we're going to come back and see how you go.
Yeah, and it's exactly right.
I can't wait. I'm going to take them now.
All right.
Let's go. Come on, guys. Who are the lucky... Let's go. Yeah.
Now, a little while ago, we set ourselves a challenge on this show. Could we send off Jess Rowe with some of our audience to, in fact, become a choir, a good one, and perform after only 20 minutes rehearsal? Jess and the audience went off with Simon from the Human Sound Project to learn a brand new song and come up with their own creative version of it. They have spent just 20 minutes with him out in the newsroom rehearsing this song, and it is time for us to hear it. Now, the song will have layers of sound through it, showing just how you don't just have to sing, but you have to, in fact, be part of a choir. So let's hear the Studio 10 choir now.
All right, Studio 10, are you ready to sing for good? We are! Well, let's go. We got some mouth percussion, we got some hand percussion. Now we're gonna add some voice. So let's do this. All right. All right, ladies. right. Now, let's sing for good. Sing, sing for good. Sing together, be understood. Yeah, sing, sing for good. Sing together, be understood. Keep it going. Sing, sing for good. Sing together, be understood. Very nice. Sing, sing for good. Sing together, be understood. Beautiful. Sing for good. Sing together, be understood. That's right. Sing for good. Sing together, be understood. Sing for good. Sing together, be understood.
I wouldn't have believed it unless I saw it. You too can sing for good, and it's a global challenge issued today. Just go to singforgood.org for more information about how you too can enter.